Yes, welcome back. So yesterday we completed the drop-in cams, Drag Cartel drop-in cams. We also adjusted the valves. So to carry on with today, I have RDX injectors here, and we're gonna install these today. I already have the clips on these. These clips, so I am gonna have to splice all the wires here. So I already pulled the clips out right here. So now we're gonna get the fuel rail off. A little bit of fuel might come out, but that's what it is. So we're gonna get that off. It's a 9 Allen to get them off. Alright, I got the fuel rail off. When you pull it off, be careful, you're going to spill a bit of fuel. Just make sure you guys clean that up. And then you just pull the injectors out. So I got the old injectors out. Now what I got to do, because the RDX have a different clip, I got to cut all these wires and solder on the new clips. And then we can put in the new injectors. So here's the RDX injector with the clip. So what I gotta do is just basically cut this clip out, solder in the new clip, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna cut them both, and the one with the black line, the yellow with the black line, is the ground. So that's gonna go with the black on this injector. So I'm just gonna cut these both a little shorter and then solder them together. So I connected the black with the yellow with the black stripe and the red with the brown. Now I'm just gonna solder these, and then I'll use electrical tape and cover them up. Alright, got those two soldered. Just gonna tape it up. Alright, so I got all the injectors in the fuel rail. I'm just gonna push it back on. We got all the clips soldered, the new clips on, so we're good to go. Just push these back into the fuel rail. Alright, I got all the injectors in. It did take a little bit of persuasion to get them all to sit flush, but we did get them all in. So I just gotta get these bolts back on. Alright, I got all the injectors installed. I got the fuel rail back in. Let's go see if it'll start. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. Got the injectors in, we got the cams in. So now I'm just going to grab a fuel pump this week, install the fuel pump, and then we're going to take it to get it tuned and see how much horsepower we make. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.